everyone! It's nice to see you again. My name is Emily, and today we are going to make a cake. Well, not just any cake. We are going to make a mug cake. What, you say? You heard that right. We are going to make a cake that's in a mug, like this. And since it's almost Valentine's Day, we are going to make a red mug cake. Some people call it a red velvet mug cake. Aren't you excited? Well, I am. So let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients that are listed on the screen. For the red velvet mug cake, you need 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and around 2 to 3 drops of red food coloring. For the cream cheese frosting, you need 2 teaspoons of softened cream cheese and 2 to 3 tablespoons of icing sugar. Alright, so now that that's out of the way, we can finally get started. Oh, I almost forgot! Don't forget to wear your apron, like this. Ta-da! Emily can do a little bit of magic. Alright, so let's grab our mugs and let's get started. Let's go! Stir together flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and granulated sugar until they are well combined. Then add milk, vegetable oil, vanilla, and some red food coloring. This changes the color to a deep red. Stir, stir, stir! Put the mug into the microwave for about 90 seconds on full power. Now that that's done, let's make the cream cheese frosting. Let's get a small bowl and combine cream cheese and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Stir, stir, stir! Let's spread this over the cooked cake. And look at that! Wait, I almost forgot! If you have some sprinkles or some other toppings, you can put them on to make it even cuter. And voila! We have ourselves our very own red velvet mug cake. Well, see you next time. Bye!